For for Coach Award 2021, Department of Cooperation has nominated one project called ICMIS, Integrated Cooperative Management Information System, and the nomination done for governance governance category. These basically the initiative is the totally completely online registration of the cooperative societies in Madhya Pradesh. So start with this. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Praveen Dabgar. I am the consultant in Department of Cooperation, and I have with me Jyoti Kumbhare. That is, she is ARCS Assistant Commissioner here. Apart from project team, we have ACS sir, RCS sir, and other department officer. Since the cooperative structure in Madhya Pradesh, cooperative has a sector is working significantly in Madhya Pradesh in terms of procurement of food grains on MSP, or in terms of agriculture crop loan provided, or in terms of distribution of fertilizer or seeds. So this is the structure of the organization where department office along with the cooperative banks and various cooperative institute plus cooperative societies are there under in MP. Start with project ICMIS. ICMIS is basically initial idea to start with the registration of the cooperative society. It is the web-based application, 24/7 availability with Unicode compliant, various external integration like SMS gateway, email API, MP online payment gateway, and e-sign, that is through Aadhaar. All the integration are done in this application. It is the application where we are providing end-to-end solution. Earlier, various initiatives taken by the department, but it is not successfully, or it is partially partially online, but it is identified service in ease of doing business, and hence all the parameter of ease of doing business are satisfied with this application. Here real time tracking available to the applicant. मतलब we are providing the sign up facility to applicant, and each and every movement from the applicant side and from the department side are real time tracking done on the application. We have done certain GPR in MP Cooperative Society rules, issue the amendment to make this system online mandatorily. So in 2020, August 2020, we have issued the amendment in cooperative rule also. This is the process flow of the entire application, where here we can see that applicant through their login or OTP, OTP based login, he is enter into the system and then fill the proposed society detail, which type of society he wants to register through registrar. Around 30 types of societies are there in Madhya Pradesh. So classification, society name, address are filled by the applicant, and then move to the second page, that is first applicant window. First applicant is the primary applicant, and the primary member of this cooperative society. He will sign up into the system after filling his detail. Once the system sign up done, login and password will be given to the applicant. Now from any day or any time he comes to the application again and login into the system, fill the share capital detail of the proposed society and their proposed members detail. Here bar minimum 21 members are required in cooperative society according to their types. So minimum 21 members detail are filled up by them, and out of that member he form the board of director. Committee formation is also done on the system. Finally, he upload the various documents like bylaws, their work plan for 5 years, their first committee meeting proceeding, their member list, or any kind of NOC required. So these documents are uploaded by them, and finally confirm the entire application from their applicant view, and then make the online payment. Online payment are done for all the proposed member who has paid their share capital and their members entry fee. So this total of 21 members are clubbed here and display on online payment window. We are using MP online payment gateway here. So all kind of user can do payment through debit card or their internet banking, or they can also visit MP online kiosk in Madhya Pradesh. Any kiosk they can make the online payment, and after finally he signed the entire application through their Aadhaar number.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Yes, sir. Sir, so final submission done by the applicant. Now the application is moved according to the area of operation, means which is coming in next slide. So application is moved to the concerned registrar office. Registrar will appoint the section in charge. Section in charge login appointment online. Section in charge and send the application to section in charge. Section in charge will do the detailed scrutiny of the application and submit their report online on the system. And after based on the report, registrar will approve, reject, or rectify the approve, reject, or put the application in rectification for modification. Once he approve the application, it will goes to e-sign window, where the certificate is automatically e-signed by the registrar through their Aadhaar, and e-sign certificate is available to the applicant online. Acceptance order we also send to the applicant. In case of rejection, registrar has to mention the reason of rejection, and the system generated rejection order will available to the applicant. In terms of rectification, the application goes again with the applicant window, and he will do the necessary modification and submit it again. This is the same workflow. Here the applicant window, and now this is the registrar and section in charge window. Here the application are diverted into various office in Madhya Pradesh. Head office in Bhopal, 10 divisional office and 10 division, and 52 districts office in district level. So according to the area of operation suggested by the applicant, the application is moving to the concern office, diverted into the concern office, and the online payment are made to the concerned district cooperative bank. Here 38 DCCBs are mapped with of Madhya Pradesh, and these 38 district central cooperative bank, apart from that, Apex banks are there. So divisional and HO level application or inter-divisional level application are moving to the payment are moving to the Apex bank. Rest for district, it is moving to the DCCBs. This is the beauty of the system, sir. It is the applicant window. Applicant can real time check through their login here each and every time by applicant fill the application detail or society detail. This window is automatically come to the green. However, one by one he fill all the forms, and this window will automatically turn out to the greens, and so he can go ahead with the lastly payment. On payment, we have put some validation whether 21 members are there, whether committee members all are there or not. After confirming all these windows, they can make the payment, and after payment, the application is locked and is signed done by the applicant and submit to the registrar office. Here in second window, beside right side, applicant also show how the registrar, when the registrar appoints the section in charge, this window will automatically turn out to the green. When section in charge submit their report to the registrar, applicants can see this window will come out to the green. So report is submitted by the section in charge. If the application is put in the modification, so there are these are the view. आवेदन त्रुटि सुधार हेतु वापस भेजने की जानकारी, यहाँ पे एप्लीकांट को सारी डिटेल
तो
मिलेगी.
आपको थोड़ा शॉर्ट करना पड़ेगा, कंक्लूड करना पड़ेगा अभी.
जी सर, फाइन. Finally, this is the real-time tracking window for the applicant. He can able to download a certificate, acceptance order, their application receipt from this window. This is the landing page of the applicant. This is the e-sign certificate for the registration of the cooperative society. It is a Rakh Society of Indore. E-sign certified certification done by the respective DRCS. That is the amendment in cooperative rules, which is passed out in 26th August 2020. Here we have suggested to make mandatory online application for the registration of the cooperative society, and it is impacted a lot on the system. Challenges we are facing, lots of challenges like since the service identify it is a very complex process for so it is identifying as of doing business. We have to fulfill the various parameter. Apart from that, this service is identified in MP Lok Seva Guarantee Act. So timeline are there 45 days to complete this application. Other staff and government system are also the challenges here. Very next, the benefits are system are more transparent, end-to-end online system, real-time tracking available, e-sign, dashboard reporting are done very easily on. So decision can be done by the top management easily. This is the IT infrastructure we have provided in all the offices and training and capacity building program is done by webinar in COVID period. 5 to 6 times we have done the webinar on Zoom or Google Meet. Replication can be done easily in any state with some minor changes because almost the procedure are same. Replication can be also, replication is to be done in societies and firms industries department in Madhya Pradesh also. It is in undergoing the discussion.
Mr. Parveen,
Tangible gain of the system is that application are initiated sign up 1500 user, total application submitted around 750, accepted application 400, rejected 200. Now we have provided modification window last month, so 16 application go for modification. 90 pending right now. The impact on impact of online system is majorly on the timeline. Earlier it is taking around 90 days to register the application, but now within a 45 day we have to dispose this application. So it is a very impact, huge impact on the online of the online system. That's that's it from my end. Ma'am, you want to say something?
I think your time is up.
Hello.
You have to conclude now.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Parveen, see, no doubt this online registration reducing number of days, but still it is very high. 45 days you are telling with all computerization. I think you need to have a look on that. Secondly, I myself have conducted a study on the cooperative credit structure in MP, and the scenario is not all that good of the societies of the DCBs and the Apex Bank, right? So
Okay.
I don't know how it is really helping. Only by registering online, it really does not help in improving the cooperative credit structure in the state. Anyhow, that's a different this thing. But even coming to this project, 45 days, I'm not
Yes,
still
sir.
very happy with that.
Okay, sir.
So you need to have a look on this. Why 40? It should take 45 days now if everything is computerized.
It is the sir max timeline. Otherwise, it is done in 15 or 20 days itself. Because the
No, by
section in charge have
that
to.
cooperatives, by their mindset, 1 or 2
Yes, sir.
months they think is a period which is not much. You see, anything it takes 6 months, it takes 1 year to register. But if it is 45 days, they think it is we have achieved something. But what I am saying is, still there is scope to bring it down.
Yes.
And I hope somewhere it should work towards improving the health of these institutions also.
Cooperatives.
Okay,
Yes. Thank you, sir.
thank you.
Thank you.
Mohanji, Bhushan Mohanji is there, otherwise we can switch to next one.
Bhushan sir.
Who's the next one then?
So can we go for the next one, sir?
Yes.
टर्न ऑन कर दीजिए